Hello from Gardening at Douentza here in Ireland, and this is a quick video just to show you the plants I bought in Spain. So I'm back from Spain now, and in the second garden that I visited, the one with all the cactuses, they had these little cactuses for sale, all at just €1.50 each, so I splurged out and helped myself. Now they came without any names, and I've yet to have done any research on them, so feel free to jot some names down below if you know the identity of any of these. This one I just thought was so cute with those little bits sticking out at the side. I'm not daring to touch it because I'm quite sure it's going to be quite spiny. And this one, of course, I bought because of the little flowers. Look at that. Now these are actually tiny flowers. There's that one open and this one open, and there was another one open when I bought it first, although I can't see the evidence of that because that surely is not the same flower that was almost open when I bought it. The thing with cactus flowers is that they last a very short time. Super. This next one here I'm nearly sure is Haworthia. And I have Haworthia already, but this one was so cute I just couldn't leave it in the shop. And this one here, I think I have already. The name escapes me just now, but it's quite succulent and it has these soft leaves with the brown tips. Very nice. So even though I had it already, I decided I'd treat myself. Wasn't that interesting? Again, I think this is something I already have, but you know, €1.50, you can't go wrong. And then finally this variegated one, I suppose a crassula, but very pretty. So these are the plants I bought at the Pina de Rosa garden. That one just wants to fall over, but I did get something else, so just bear with me for a moment. And the other plant I want to show you is over here in the greenhouse, but the tulips are coming up nicely, aren't they? Okay, so let's go over and in here. And there it is on the floor, unceremoniously plonked on the floor. Now this becomes a tree, a fantastic tree. And I'm going to insert a picture of it after, just here in the video so you can get an idea. It likes warm temperatures, but I thought, oh goodness, why not try it? And I bought this at the Marimurtra garden, which you will see the video of very shortly. It was an amazing garden, absolutely fantastic. And really knocked my socks off. Loads of Madeira plants, South African, wonderful, fantastic botanic gardens really, rather than a garden. So that's coming up soon. And just while we're in the neighbourhood, I have to show you this purchase that I also made, but not in Spain. And this is a plant that had been on my wish list for about 4 years. And look at those fantastic leaves. They look vaguely like cannabis leaves, but it's not. And here's the name, so Jatropha, and it produces these orange flowers in time. Now I had looked for seed for this one for ages, but it was very difficult to get and very unreliable if not fresh. So I'm absolutely delighted to have spotted this in Johnstown Garden Centre, no less, and treated myself. But yeah, fantastic. Another greenhouse plant that I'll put in a pot or in the garden for the summer, but I'm very glad to add that to my collection. And I'm just really ending this video now by saying that sorry for the pause in videos coming to you, but I'm really busy at the moment preparing my garden for the first opening, and I have 2 other videos of visits to gardens in Spain, but they take so much editing that I'm afraid I'm just not able to get around to them at the moment. And I do have some other videos as well recorded, but editing is the real Achilles heel as far as I'm concerned. So just bear with me, and normal service will be resumed. There's that Scilla and another flower coming. Okay, that's all for the moment. Thanks very much for watching, and check back again for more videos soon. Hope you're enjoying the weather. Bye!